If this vlog turns out the way it's supposed to, it's gonna be freaking hilarious. So apparently at this skate park, this like private skate park that my husband and I skate at, apparently Bam Margera is gonna be there today, which is really funny. So let's head that way and I might get to sesh with him. It's not every day you show up to the skate park and Bam Margera's here.
I think it's on here to help a friend.
It's on auto. Just trying to kill people. Like you said, yeah, why'd you test it? I was hoping you just like no washers or what?
Oh.
No washers on the bottom. At most, I'll if I'm feeling good, I'll have a good flat ground. So yeah. Oh! Switch. I get my pictures. Oh! Yeah.
Let's switch too.
All right, Graydon.
Oh, you haven't hit your final form. It's cool. It's cool, bro.
Oh no!
That was good. She's feeling significantly more.
Dude, where's Ryan?
He's on his birthday.
What the freak?
You're gonna ruin it with your peg.
Didn't film a proper outro, and I know it's a super random video, but getting to meet Bam and skate with him was like crazy. He's a really nice guy, and I hope that he comes back to the San Antonio area soon. It seems like he's got a lot of connections with some of the dudes that skate. So, yeah. Like and subscribe.